I just picked up this multimeter at the local electronics store, and it really catch my attention because I had bought another one recently, but not the same. It's a Kifley uh, GMM 6500, and so I came across this one and I really liked it. So I bought it, paid 45 bucks, and it seems to work okay. And then I also got recently another Keithley, but this is a DC power supply that I got. So this is just brand new. I turn it on for the first time to check on the accuracy of the Fluke multimeter. And it seems pretty good so far. I've tested just simple voltage DC and amperage as well. I set the Keithley to 1.01, and so let's try this out. First check on volts for DC and see how we're. So I got it to like 1.01, and so it's 1.0116. I don't know how to set the Keithley to show more than just 2 digits, so that's gonna be something I need to figure out. I don't know if it matters or not, but for measuring the Fluke, it seems to be okay. And so if I turn the measurement to amps, it's gonna give me 0 amps, of course. I have channel 2 at 0.002, so maybe no. Okay. Let's keep trying. And oh, yeah, very new view here, so I'm just learning these. Okay, 2.02 amps DC, and I got my Keithley at 2.001. 2.002 versus 2.001. So there is definitely a variation. I am just getting to familiarize with all these type of instruments. But yeah, seems like the calibration tag was from 2014. I might try to get the manual and see if I can calibrate it, given that the calibration on this one is still good. I bought it about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I think the calibration for this one was from March of this year, so that's, I think, maybe one of the problems about when you buy an equipment that has a calibration from more than 6 months ago, and so now it's probably expired. I don't know. It's just something that I'm thinking about. But as far as my Fluke 45 working, it definitely does. I compared those readings against my other Fluke 115 true RMS, and they seem to be very consistent to this one. But for whatever reason, I couldn't get the amps to work, and I'll show you. So, maybe the fuse is burned, but it's not showing any sign of working like the way the Fluke 45 did. Thank you for watching.